Divide 394 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 9. So it is 19 and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting it is 1. So we put down this 4 and now it is 14 and 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So 394 divided by 2 is 197. So this much for today and thanks for watching.